Welcome to the ABC Café, where the alphabet teach me every day. Grab a plate, it's time to see what's cooking from A to Z. A is for avocado on toast. B is for bagels we love the most. C is for cupcake with sprinkles bright. D is for donuts, what a yummy bite. E is for eggs, scrambled and neat. F is for french fries, crispy treat. G is for grapes in a little bowl. H is for honey that makes things whole. I is for ice cream, cold and fun. J is for jam on a warm bread bun. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and green. L is for lemonade, sweet and clean. M is for mac and cheese, hot and gooey. N is for noodles, long and chewy. O is for omelet, fluffy and light. P is for pizza, what a sight. Q is for quiche, baked just right. R is for raspberries, pink and bright. S is for sandwich, stacked so tall. T is for tacos, let's eat them all. U is for ugly fruit, try a bite. V is for veggies, cooked just right. W is for waffles with maple drip. X is for juga, a watermelon trip. Y is for yogurt, creamy and cool. Z is for zucchini, green and full. Now we've cooked from A to Z, a tasty trip at ABC Café. So sing it loud, come back and play. There's always fun at the ABC Café. Letters and food, what a tasty ride.